Hello and welcome to HWM Caterham in Walton-on-Thames. Today I'm walking you around this Riviera Blue 420R. This is a new and unregistered model with very little miles on it. Let's have a look together. So on the front of the Caterham you can see that we have the LED headlights, also have the clear lens pack for the side repeaters on both of the cycle wings. It also features the aero wishbone and this is on the race suspension. So moving on down to the side of the Caterham, we have the 13-inch Apollo alloys finished in gloss black. They're on the Avon ZZS tyres. Also have your standard side exit exhaust along with the master battery cut-off switch. You have the painted front and rear wings. The rear ones have the exposed carbon stone guards. So moving on to the rear of the Caterham, we have the track day roll cage, which is finished in black. You also have the triple stripes, which follows it down through the front of the car. They're finished in yellow, and they also match the sides decals. Have the LED rear lights, and this car also comes with the full hood and side screens. So moving on to the interior of the Caterham, we have the carbon effect on the dash here. It also follows down here to the door sills. You've got the Momo quick release steering wheel. You also have the carbon heated seats with padding and the 4-point harness. Now this car also features the lowered floors, and being the SV you do naturally get a lot more space. So just to finalise our walk around on the 420, this one has the 2-litre Ford Duratec engine which does 200 and brake horsepower. Also has the limited slip diff, which is quite key on these cars. Again, it's on delivery miles and it's brand new and unregistered, so if you want to get in the Caterham in time for summer, please give us a call on 01932 240 611. Thank you for watching.